Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. So I got a vehicle here with a case of the never-ending coolant leak. Let me show you what I got. It's a '01 Buick Sentry. Let me just show you real quick. So this thing, a 3.1, I got it partially disassembled, as you can tell. So it came in 3 weeks ago for a coolant leak, and head gaskets were leaking, or actually a head gasket was leaking. The front head gasket was leaking externally. What happens is they have a tendency to split, and then they leak down in the front here where the head meets the block. Okay, so I start taking it apart. Intake gaskets were leaking like a sieve on this thing too. Changing those regardless. So I get the whole job done, get it all bled out, let it go. Everything's great. Had it for about 3 weeks. Comes back in, got a coolant leak again. So I check it out. That's what I find. The timing chain cover, right back here, split right here, and was pouring out coolant. All right, so I got to do the timing cover gasket. So I'm going to put a water pump on at the same time. So I do all that, get it all back together. I start filling it up, I bleed it out. I'm like, you know what, let me pressure test this thing again. I start pressure testing it, I got another leak. I'm like, what the heck? No signs of it before, it wasn't steaming or anything, so now it needs a radiator. Let me check this out. Now, you come down to this side. Oh, my pressure tester, it's a constant air pressure tester. I love this thing because you can constantly leave air pressure in the system, it never bleeds down. I don't know if you can hear that leaking on the other side of the tank. It never showed me signs of it. Obviously it's not full enough now, so it's just air coming out. But I just wanted to show you, I get comebacks too. It happens to everybody. All you can do is keep going and fix what you got. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.